Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Stabilize the object and free the plastic tab. First, remove heavier decor and hold the item so it won't fall. Once steady, peel back or expose about 1/2 inch of the adhesive tab so you can grip it. You need to pull the tab parallel to the wall. That direction releases adhesive without lifting paint. Make sure your fingers are dry and that you have a clear path for the strip to extend as you begin the pull. You should now pull the tab slowly and steadily straight down, keeping it parallel to the wall. This is how the adhesive releases cleanly. Once you start, maintain even tension so the adhesive elongates rather than snapping. If the tab shortens, stop and reposition your grip, then continue. If you hit firm resistance after a few inches, warm the strip briefly with a hair dryer to soften adhesive, but make sure not to overheat the surface. Continue. Once the strip is off, inspect the wall for residue or loose paint. You'll want to address these immediately. If sticky residue remains, dab a cloth with rubbing alcohol or a mild adhesive remover and wipe gently until clean. If a small paint spot lifts, press it back carefully and warm the area briefly to help it re-adhere. If the tab breaks and leaves adhesive behind, use dental floss or a plastic scraper to work the adhesive off horizontally. That avoids further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.